This is the original toolbox that I saw on YouTube. It measures about 8 inches by 20 inches. This is a tutorial I saw on the same toolbox in Fusion 360, done by Lars Christensen. My idea was to make a mini-sized toolbox that I could print on the 3D printer. And this is my version of the toolbox in Fusion 360, which is exported out to a file for the 3D printer and slicer software. And this is the toolbox model in the slicer software. The green is support material to print the handle horizontally instead of doing a vertical. This would allow me to do it all in one piece. This is a shot of the base for the toolbox on the printer, and this is one about a quarter of the way up. This shot shows the support material for the handle in place about halfway up. And this one is the end with the support material walls visible. And this one shows the handle getting started from the bottom side. This is a print in progress showing the support material walls that are being printed, partially fallen away. Here's another shot where you can see the base of the handle getting started on the 3D printer. This is a Prusa i3 Mark III 3D printer. And the end walls of the toolbox are almost finished. And here's a shot of the box almost finished. The handle is just about completely finished. You can see it there in the horizontal mode with the support material below. This was a 3+ hour print on the printer. And there's an end shot of the handle. And here's a view of the completed toolbox with some of the support material below the handle already being peeled away. And now I'm actually taking out the support material below the round toolbox handle. This prints in little small sheets or walls below the horizontal surface. At the beginning it didn't want to come out very well, but then it started peeling off pretty easy. I'm not sure I can do the same procedure again. It might just be easier to print this skinny handle vertically and glue it in, but I wanted to try the new support setup with the Prusa printer slicer software. And now all the support underneath the handle is complete. Got a few little strings under it. Pretty much satisfied with the overall project and the quality of the print. Removing the last little bit of support that was put underneath the handle. And there's the finished box. So you can see the quality of the bottom and the end panels of the small little toolbox. Overall, fun, interesting little project. Learned a few things about Fusion 360 and the 3D printer.